Good afternoon. My name is Morelia. Uh, Hi, Adrian and Nathaly. Today we are going to review how ISO safety standards are applied here in the plant, specifically regarding the production of alcoholic beverages. Are you ready?
First, Morelia, I have heard about ISO standards, but I have never received the tailored training on how they apply to our industry. And I would really like to understand how they affect our daily tasks.
Same here. I've also noticed that sometimes we're not as clear about the specific safety measures for each process. Could you explain a bit more, Aurelia?
First, as you can see on my screen, there are some ISO standards, so I will explain to you. First is ISO 9001 and then ISO 45001. Well, ISO 9001 is for quality management. It involves customer focus, leadership, staff involvement, change management, etc. And ISO 45001, it's focused on occupational health and safety. It aims to reduce workplaces, injuries, illnesses, and fatalities. And also on risk prevention, work involvement, and continuous improvement. And all these are all these are essential to ensure that every production process is safe for both workers and consumers. In our chemical alcoholic beverage industry, we must ensure that each stage, from fermentation to bottling, complies with these standards ISO, that ISO says.
That makes sense. So, for example, when we are handling ethanol in large quantities, what specific measures should we be following according to those standards?
Oh, great question, Adrian. First, we need to ensure that all operators are properly trained. This includes handling chemicals safely, using personal protective equipment like gloves, goggles, or masks, and being familiar with emergency protocols. For instance, during distillation, it's crucial to avoid source of ignition and to monitor temperature and procedures closely, pressure closely.
I remember last week we had an issue with one of the temperature sensors during fermentation. Would that be some type that falls on the ISO 9001 controls?
Exactly, Natalie. ISO 9001 ensures that our product meets quality standards in every batch. Monitoring variables like temperature during the fermentation, alcohol concentration, and equipment clean lines is critical. Any deviation must be recorded and telling to the boss that is there that because it needs to be corrected immediately.
And if an incident does happen, like a chemical spill, what does ISO 451 say we should do in this case?
In case of an accident, as you can see in my flyer, uh, ISO 45001 established that we must clear procedures for evacuation, first aid, and notifying authorities if it's necessary. Every incident must be documented to analyze what happened and then to prevent in the future, isn't it? We also hold periodic drills to ensure everyone knows what to do.
I think it would be helpful if we could review those procedures together sometime. I'm not sure everyone on my shift feels confident about what step to take in an emergency.
Yeah, Natalie, I agree. Maybe we could even suggest a short refresh course or of simulations, and it will help us stay sharp.
I love that idea. I will talk to the safety coordinator to schedule a session next week, maybe. It's important that we are all aligned. Remember, safety isn't just a regulation; it's about taking care of ourselves and our team.
Totally agree. It's not just about producing alcoholic beverages, but doing it in a safe and controlled way.
And now I feel much clearer about these standards impact our daily work. And thanks for breaking it down for us, Morelia.
Yes, thank you. It really helps to have these conversations openly. We're all in this together.
Absolutely. And anytime you have questions or suggestions like today, don't hesitate to bring them up. That's how we keep improving as a team in this company.
Thanks,
Thanks.
Morelia. See you.
Thank you.